How to apply for a personal loan from Axis Bank. If you are looking for a way to apply for a personal loan with Axis Bank, then the process is quite simple. Open up a preferred web browser on a computer or your mobile device. Into the search box, type in axisbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official site of Axis Bank. At the top right hand corner, you should be able to see this apply personal loan link. Give it a click. And then select if you're an existing Axis Bank customer. If you are, click on this first option. If you are not, click on this I'm not an Axis Bank customer option. Select any one option. After you make a selection, it'll take you to a new tab. Now, for existing customers for Axis Bank, you'll need to type in your mobile number and your PAN number or your date of birth. After you do that, click the Send OTP button and you'll receive an SMS with reference to your loan application. There are also other ways to access to your loan. Click on the debit card option and enter your card number, enter your debit card PIN and click on Submit. Follow through the prompts till the end. Make sure to fill out the online application form with the required information such as your personal details, employment information, income details, and loan amount requirements. And then review the details you've provided and make sure to submit the application well. If you're not an existing Axis Bank customer, then select this I'm not an Axis Bank customer option and select your income range from the drop down and click on the Submit button. Now, enter your mobile number, your date of birth, or your PAN number and click on Send OTP. Enter the OTP on your registered mobile number that you received via SMS and follow through the prompts in order to apply for a loan with Axis Bank. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.